Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a new series of MERN Stack with Redux Toolkit, and in this lesson, I will teach you how to configure Redux Toolkit from scratch. Without wasting time, let's begin. Now in our code editor, let's install some npm package. Let's cd in front end, and then we're gonna install Redux, React Redux, and Redux Thunk. Okay, so we need another package. We will need DevTools extension. Before that, we will use this npm package, Redux DevTool. Okay, and after that, we will need also Axio. We will need React Water DOM, and press enter to install. Another thing we will need, I mentioned earlier, is Redux DevTools extension for Chrome. So if you don't have yet, go to install it, and it's loading. Okay, here as you can see, I have mine installed. So go to install this Chrome extension, and this is the appearance, how it will be. Now let's make some cleanup. Okay, React our function. Okay, let's add fragment. Okay, this will be our home page, and then let's save. So after that, we will need to add some bootstrap. Okay, so I will use bootstrap version 5.2. Okay, and let's head to index.html. Let's make some cleanup. Okay, and paste the CSS. After that, let's copy the JS file, make some cleanup here, and paste. And now let's save. Okay, so we will need now to structure our Redux folders. We will have action, we'll have store.js, we'll have constants to hold our constants, we'll have a reducers folder. Okay, so this is the documentation. Okay, so I will link in this video, in the description of this video. Okay, this is some example. Okay, so now let's go back. So we're gonna configure our store. First of all, we're gonna import, create store, and we will need combine reducers, and we'll also bring apply middleware. Okay, and this will come from Redux. After that, we will need thunk from Redux Thunk. Okay, and the last one, we will need to bring compose with DevTools. Okay, from our package. So let's copy our package in package.json. So here this is the name, okay, and we're gonna bring in this file. Okay, so we have finished, import our elements, and now let's combine our reducers. So let's create a variable name reducer. So we will need combine reducers. Okay, this one. Okay, so for now we will leave it as empty object, but after we will have, all the reducers in our application here. Okay, now we will need another variable for the initial state. For now, we're gonna leave it empty object. Okay, so now let's create our store. We're gonna hold, store variable, and we're gonna bring create store. Okay, first of all, we will need the reducer. Okay, after that, we will bring the initial state. After that, we will need compose with the tools from this npm package. Okay, so we will need to apply middleware, okay, from Redux. And now let's create the variable middleware. So I have to mention that Thunk, we will use it. It will help to make asynchronous, okay. When using Redux, you will see that when we gonna implement it. Okay, and now let's spread middleware. So we need to export our store. And after that, let's save. Okay, so seems like we have a little error, and that's fine. Seems like we have one S more, and save again, everything is okay. So let's check in our browser. As you can see, when inspect element, as you can see, I have a Redux. In the tab, I have Redux. Okay, so for now we have nothing. Okay, but we're gonna finish the Redux, toolkit installation. So now we head to index.js, and we're gonna bring provider from React Redux. And after that, we're gonna bring our store that is in the same directory. Okay, store. And we're gonna remove, this, replace it with provider. And here we're gonna bring the store. Okay, and pass our store. Okay, so I think that's saved, and let's save, and then we're gonna see that in the browser. Okay, let's inspect element. Okay, let's go to Redux tab. And as you can see, I have an empty object because I didn't bring nothing yet. So that's mean our Redux configuration toolkit is working. So that's it, guys. So we're gonna continue with this series. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have questions, please drop in the comment section. From now, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.